Okay, hey guys, this is a cool trick to trick your friends, and all you need is a regular old $5 bill. And before I see this, before you see this, this is not Photoshop because I can't do Photoshop. So anyhow, what you do is do this, like that, $5 bill, boom. Next, you do this up, then like that, if you can see that, and then if you notice, then don't tell anybody this, but if anybody's watching. So then you do this like that, you make a crease, and like that. You do this, and then do this, and then bam, it's upside down. Okay, I'm going to do this one more time. One more time, and you will closely. So, inside out, like that, and then over here. So then you make a crease over here. When you're done, you know what I mean. Done. You want to watch it again? Then you can watch it again. But now it's time for some kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, this kitty. Yeah, she's pregnant. She's pregnant. Look at your cute kitty. Okay. Looks like somebody's camera shy. Your cat's camera shy. Oh, look at the cute little tiny newborn. It's not a newborn. Don't worry, I'm not allowed to touch it. Okay, that's all. One more time. One more time. So, do this, then this, over here, then, so, you do this, and when we're done, I didn't have a better word, don't worry, I'm going to do that, bam, upside down. Upside down. That's so crazy, right? I don't know. I checked my mom, I checked my dad, I checked my brother. I don't have a sister. I even checked my cats. But I might do more other tricks. So that's all. Bye. Happy. Sure. Happy. I don't have to watch that video. Sure. I don't watch videos. Okay. Goodbye.